Hi everyone. So today I never speak Chinese because my mother tell me speak English. And then this Friday, now is Monday day one and then Friday I don't have go to tuition because I want go to the Legoland. Now I find my bag. I find this one, but the pink color, but it's small one. I don't know at where. I forgot already. I think this old bag. Oh, at here, but I don't know how to take out. Oh, I know how to take out. Just now I took photo. I just now take picture like this. You know this song? That's now my friend also take ready. That's how I play something is a magic one. This one. You see it's two color. This one is dark one and then this one is light one. Okay. At here. So this one I go to the Legoland one. So now I put down first like this headshot. And then wow, it's stuck. Okay. Yeah. And one head I don't know how to open because one head is take my phone. So I can use one hand open already. It's too heavy. Okay. Just now I forgot to take some things. Got forgot something. You take one. You don't have to take two. Comment part 2.